on, Augie, go to the back. Come on, Augie. Move.
Oh.
Augie. William, I guess you're gonna be sitting in the bed.
Screw you. Go to the back, bro. Go. What do I do? I'm not going to the back. I can't sit anywhere. Go.
The movie shows at 7 o'clock, but at 7:30 you show up be like...
Get off the damn horn!
Did the devil raise you?
Hello, Brandy. Hello. Hello?
Hey, where are you hiding my dad?
It's Daddy. It's Daddy. And I use my magic head ocean, eh? Hello?
Point of view, your dog just returned from another dimension.
Hello?
Warning, you're facing the most powerful black tornado.
Oh, you got him! You got him!
Huh? Sorry, Mum, but health should come first.
You're sitting on your brother.
If there's anything colder than the North Pole, it's their brotherhood.
Oh, wait! You're smushing him! You okay, Rusty? Oak?
Hey, can't let my girlfriend see this. Cannot catch Crush's heart, but the food is no big deal.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's almost lockdown, Mum. I need to prepare my own toilet paper.
It's us. Toby. Come here.
Use the right perfume to be accepted.
Hello? Are you knocking on the door?
The moment that made you doubt whether you were adopted.
Excuse me, sir, can you come back tomorrow? I don't really want any. Thank you, though. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you want to come in now? Oh.
Are you hungry? You want some breakfast?
When the pizza delivery man finally arrived.
Face. Oh my god. Man, you on the playground? No! No!
Wasting water is a crime.
Why is it a game?
Okay, I'm ready for this job.
Sit away.
A typical day for a guard. Your crush says she likes mature people.
You got water right here, dude. Hey. Hey, stop that. Look, your water's right here. It's a lot easier.
when your body is devoted to receiving love.
You need a bath. You want to take a bath?
You are not bringing that in the house. I don't know what that is.
Looks like he should experience house cleaning for once.
And grass. And you are not bringing that in the house. Absolutely not. No. Not happening.
Shame, shame, shame.
Dogs never disappoint in giving humans very unexpected gifts.
Who? 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 Who did it? Who?
The sound of crackers is associated with your ex, be like. Think again if you're doing something terrible to him. A tip to not worry about losing a boyfriend no matter what. We when faced with the request of our crush. Dad, I won't leave you alone. Hopefully no one gets greetings like this every morning. Tell me you're a GSP without telling me you're a GSP.
Well,
How can I book this band?
when I get down, right around, little man around, and I get down, right around, a little around, get down, right around, little man around, and I get down, right around, look at him, hit down, right around, get around, hit down, right around, get around.
Instead of breaking other people's hearts, it's better to destroy Mum's garden.
Excuse me.
Goodness. Oh my goodness. Can I pet you? Oh, he's just so focused.
How fragile is the dog's soul? The easiest way to know someone is in love. Don't wonder why humans always lose in the game of hide and seek. Consequences of skipping a surf class at school. Protecting life is your #1 priority.
What are you doing?
Looks like this isn't the first time sneaking out of the house. Your duty is to protect Dad at all times, be like.
What are you doing?
Vô hỏi mồn. Quan vào một xíu, quan một.
Don't forget to prepare a good child ticket for this boy.
Dạ.
The one who feeds you is your crush. The most mysterious things in the world.
Where'd it go?
Impressing your crush is not difficult. It's not a good thing to have too many fans. Is there anybody's heart that doesn't melt?
You're not sleeping in here. Take that blanket back. Take it back. You're not sleeping in here. I don't care about your attitude.
Is he a tire salesman's spy? Someone must have been invited out by their crush. Peace is a luxury when a dog's passion for play never goes away. Perseverance in contributing to this game deserves a reward. Your favorite movie is coming out and your boyfriend is not ready yet. Thank you so much, and remember to tell us about your dog.